Okay, viewers, Tenerife here, San Eugenio. I think I pronounced it right. Okay, we start off the walk today at the Ocean Park and at the sports bar here. Sports is actually playing now, and I'm not sure if this is a soul bar, a soul club here. Soul City, nearly got it right. So very, very popular bar just there as well. And that's right at the side of the Ocean Park. In actual fact, it's part of the Ocean Park sort of complex. There you go. Billiards, sports and stuff like that. Anyway, we'll walk on. These do different types of meals and such like. Kiddies meal as well. And, oh, look here. Angus burgers. And John Smith Smooth on draft. Plenty of bars and such like on the other side of the road as well. And that is Laguna Park, or Laguna Park one if you want it that way. There's a little bit of a kiddies area around there as well, which is located on the level of the pool, accessible from the other side. BBR lounge here. One day it'll open, but all sales and stuff up there, look, yeah. Don't understand it. Why are there no takers for this? It was being refurbed not long ago, different sort of fittings was going in, and clearly the sales, and all of a sudden, nothing again. If anybody knows what's happening with that, let me know. I would be interested to know, and I can tell all the other viewers as well. Cobra Bar over there, and the Indian Tandoori. Well, should I say the Indian restaurant? Over we go. Rent. So is that for the bar or is that for the garage? Don't know how you can get to the garage. Really? Anyway. That is a very, very good tandoori. That's one I'm going to recommend. I have eaten in there, by the way. And yeah, it was good. I'll give them the due. Credit where credit's due. Oh, nice BMW there, look you. And we have the Rum Pot here. Rum Pot does nightly entertainment as well. And I suspect they'll be showing the sport. Yeah, they're showing the sports also. But, yeah, keep on going then, folk. And same as you say, that is the Rum Pot. Tenerife Hearts. Oops. Try not to fall down there. Yeah, picture of that. Away we go. And on we go. There's the chippy, fish and chips. And Faces here, which is the Irish bar. Nice bar. Get yourself in there. No drink, no seat. To be perfectly fair, that's understandable, isn't it? Another one of the walkways there which goes down to, I suppose, against where La Pinta Hotel is. Looks like nobody uses these garages. Although that one's got acro props in it. Maybe that's the reason. Over there you've got your Tenerife Gardens. I've got to say, your Laguna Park. I did mention it. Laguna Park. Main bus route here, by the way. So they go virtually all to the, well, all over the island, the buses. But mainly like to Sabaki and Hideki and all that way. But you need to check the numbers, which is your right bus. These are private apartments. So you don't get, what's his name, you don't see those available. And none of them, if you have a look, have got the VV certificate outside. So, I would imagine they're going to be, if they were available to be rented, be nice apartments. What do you think? Do you own one of those? Looks like a nice complex, that. Here we've got the Irish Rover. Yeah. And there's the office. So look at those then, folk. Yeah. Continuing on down here. Looks like we've got to lift up to the doctors as well. So what's that? That looks like uniform shop, doesn't it? Mario's here, quite a few of those. Fresh liver, fried onions, peas and chips, gravy. Bargain. Absolute bargain. And over here we have got the, is it coconut cocktails? Yeah, I think it is. San Eugenio shopping centre over there. Not going in there. But there you have it. So, €2 a pint there. That's the coconut over there. Very, very busy, popular place. Yep, look at it. All right, are you all right with this?
I watch you all the time, yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to?
Yeah, I watch you all the time.
Do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, bit of Flynn, Wexford, Ireland.
I didn't guess.
You never know. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I watch you all the time.
Yeah, thank you for
On the videos, yeah.
Yeah.
I looked at your preview with your son and all. Sorry about that.
I'll tell you what, it's not. I like this bit of breeze.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Walking round, it's,
Oh, yeah. It's a bit nippier down on the beachfront, all right, but fabulous here. Absolutely lovely. Absolutely lovely.
Yeah, I watch you all the time.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Can't beat Tenerife, can you, Tez?
No.
We only came 2 days ago,
We're only just
so we're here
arrived.
for 3 weeks now.
Have you got Irish passport?
I've
She
got an
has,
English
no, she's
passport.
So
Yeah.
how did you go on with EES?
Do you know what? Actually, pretty damn quick. I was through in about 10 minutes. Yeah, very, very good. Yeah, and I was dreading it, but
She's living in Ireland for the past 40 years. We have 7 kids, 17 grandchildren, and she still had to pay $3,000 for an Irish passport.
yeah, it's all right. I managed with the British one. I'd rather spend the £3,000 here. You know the way it is.
Yeah, I know.
Absolutely.
I mean, it's hit and miss.
Yeah.
Very possibly. It's a quieter month, this one,
Yeah.
isn't it? So things are a bit quieter.
I mean-
I have no problem.
When I arrived at the airport, because there's 2 levels in
Yes.
the airport, I arrived on bottom one, and all the queues was full. As you're going round the corner to where all the machines are,
Yes.
there's a green tick registered this way, but it's
Yeah.
roped up.
Okay.
So the woman's there and says, "Are we not using this lane?" She says, "Yeah." She says, "Have you registered?" I'm thinking,
Yeah.
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 so she lifted it up and I went straight to her.
All right, but if she wasn't there, you'd never lift it, would you? It's, yeah,
And
absolutely.
everybody's saying, "How come he's done that? How come he's done that?" Well, you've got to ask.
Yes. Yes.
So the moral of the story is when you see the sign, it's got that rope across it, ask.
Yeah. Ask it. Or duck.
Where's the Scottish man now? What's his name?
Kevin,
Oh yeah.
Kevin.
I think Kevin's at home currently.
Is he? We watch. We watch.
I
them
watch
all,
Kevin.
actually. We watch.
Yeah, it's nice.
We watch them all. When
The
did you
Gypsy
arrive?
Souls.
Yes.
I watched them.
Yeah, I'm not sure where they are.
I think they were in, last week they were in
They're in
Turkey.
Turkey anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When did you arrive?
I arrived 3 days ago.
All right. You're here for long?
No,
No.
I'm here till Tuesday.
All right.
I'll give you a few thumbs up when I go home.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you very much.
We will watch your vlogs again. Enjoy the rest of your time here.
Thank you. See you.
You as
I'll
well.
watch you when I go home on here.
Yeah.
Hey, I look for this one now.
Yeah.
Oh, don't. Nice to see you.
That's me there.
See you,
Take
Tez.
care. You as well.
Right, look after yourself.
Tez,
I
you
am
forgot
making fun.
you forgot your fluffy.
I better take that.
She'd end up with makeup on.
I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know. I wouldn't be penny to hear me to Christmas.
I wouldn't get far because it had say been left. Take care. Bye bye.